Any business that wants to succeed in this day and age must go online. Going online is no longer simply an option, with so many things going on around the world and global changes that will forever disrupt the way people live and do business. Not only to maintain their success, but even just to survive. Sure, there are already available tools that any business can use to run their entire company and processes digitally. However, any minimum amount of research will tell you that most of these products are expensive, complicated, and limited in customization. In other words, not very user-friendly, and definitely not suitable for all business owners, especially those who are less tech-savvy and might even be on a budget. I mean, who can afford to invest thousands of dollars a month into a bunch of complicated tools, and on top of that, hire employees to manage the systems, right? Well, if this sounds familiar in any way, here is some good news for you. This is the latest discovery in the world of digital marketing and business. GrooveFunnels is, by far, the best way that many entrepreneurs have found to build websites, sales funnels, and sell digital products online. The best part? It's free. But the free value does not end there. You see, GrooveFunnels is not just a website and sales funnel builder. The co-founder of GrooveFunnels, Mike Fizemi, is actually a veteran in the internet marketing space, and has put all his experience and expertise into one of the best suites of marketing tools I have ever seen. And you know what? This 100% free tool can perfectly run your entire business, maybe even better than some of the expensive, complicated tools out there. This is not an exaggeration by any means. GrooveFunnels includes everything that you might need to run your online business, all for absolutely free. Why not give this a try? Sign up today for your free account and enjoy tons of benefits. The link is in the description below.